Okay, well, we're back on the new stream. I'm not sure why Streamlabs decided to shut down on me. That's rude. So, okay, I have no idea what's going on. I'm still getting errors here. Let me check my internet, see if my internet's being stupid, if my computer's being stupid, or what's being stupid. Guess maybe it wants an early day. NQ's leveled out. And my internet speed looks a little slow, but not horrible. NQ trying to pop back up. Let me do a Control-Alt-Delete here and check my performance. Well, I'm using 32 gigabytes of RAM, 64% CPU. The graphics card's okay. Really? Alright, I'll close that down. Starter. Starter for what? Alright, yeah, speed test, Streamlabs, trading view. I don't know. Not sure what's going on. Yes. Thank you. Pop back up a little bit, but now looks like it wants to continue heading down. Totally threw me off there. Not like anything happened though in the markets. We are getting long signals on the ES. Russell is already sending long signals a bit ago. Russell's often out in front, and I'm gonna compare that to this weekend. A lot to do this weekend. I might need to stay up all 72 hours. No, I'm kidding. NQ just sent a long signal there. We'll watch that. So Streamlabs shut down. I don't know if that caused it or what. or if something caused Streamlabs to shut down. Can everybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? Is the mic good? Is it clear? Is the stream clear? Let me know, please. Pretty please with sugar on top. Okay, good. Thank you, guys. I hate that it's splits into two streams. I wish there was a way to prevent that, and I just missed the entries because I wasn't paying attention. Man, did I miss an entry! Wow. So short signal fired there, and that went down 20 points. Oh my god, that was just me doing too many things at once. That would have been my entry of the day. Darn it. So, yep, that was my opportunity of the day there. Missed 30 points down within 2 minutes. I would have hit profit target. Nah. Grr. Grumble, grumble, grumble. So, I hate having two streams. I wish there was a way that I could fuse them easy. I mean, I can download them and try and fuse them that way, but that's uploading a gigabyte data. So let's see if we get any more opportunities. We've now come down almost 200 points since this high. See the absolute bleed out. This 5-minute candle is 67. I'm sorry, 70 points now. ES, this 5-minute candle is 16 points. This is just a fall. Selling off before the holiday. Wouldn't be interesting to monitor that and see whether or not that happens other holidays. Not something I've thought to keep track of. Is it just? I mean, this is just Absolute. Quick fall. Oh. Yeah, I guess that's something I should be watching too. So many things to watch. Yep, down over 200 points now since that high. Little popped up there on gold. Yes. Russell had a little bit of a bigger pop there. Would have went up like 4 points and right back down. How are you doing today, Warren? So a little bit, it's maybe leveling out, pulling back here a bit. Yep, looking for an opportunity. Tesla has totally bled out today. Looking at Tesla chart, kind of basically going in the way NQ is, which isn't unusual. It's fallen $25 off of its high. Bitcoin falling as well, which also isn't a surprise because it kind of follows NQ. It's a good idea, Stephen. It's always good to take a little mental break. Is there anything that's made it particularly rough, Stephen? Is there your strategy stopped working, or because of market changing, or can you pinpoint what the problem is? Obviously, a month hasn't been good for me either. I mean, I got funded. I started at the beginning of the month, and obviously, it's just been 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. I'm hoping I can change that. Yeah, charting can kind of burn you out at times. Got to keep doing the homework, unfortunately. Most of the time, I actually like charting, but it can be time consuming. We're kind of stagnant now here for the last few minutes on NQ. Hey, Matt, since we're communicating on Discord, I'll just talk to you here. After I hit on the strategy, after I unchecked it and rechecked it, now everything's showing up. That's weird, though. I'm not sure why that happened. Sorry about the personal communication here on the stream, but it's easier than typing out. UltraBond and crude oil sending signals. Crude made a nice move up there. Maybe do a new high of the day. No, not even close. Never mind. Crude is a weird charting. A lot of this up, down, like sends signals toward the end of the move, pulls back big, then goes up, then comes down, and goes back. It's a hard. I'm gonna be curious to chart it and see if there's any type of winning strategy with it. Well, Matt, I mean, I haven't shut it down at all. I'll be shutting it down this weekend, obviously. But it's still having that problem with the realized P&L is different than what it should be. I start the day with a $73 loss even before I take a trade in realized P&L for some reason. So there's something going on with it. Yeah, I'll shut it down, bring it back up, and see if it's doing the same thing after that, and then yeah, I'll do a repair if I need to. Something, it doesn't like something, and that something could be me. So NQ did kind of consolidate here, and now bounced off the SMA line, back down, getting big candles here. That doesn't look like a lot there, but that's a 14-point candle. My technical difficulties cost me half the audience. And so we wait. Gold again is always squeezy, but no easy peasy. And we're just kind of waiting to see if we get any more opportunities. It is approaching 10:30. We usually go to about 11. Gold there. So there is the burst out on gold after that squeeze. 3.5 points up. NQ kind of consolidating. It's trying to push back up. Now we've got to be careful though, because you see we did get this long signal back here, and that was just a temporary move up before coming back down. Yep, see gold popped up and popped back down. You see, like NQ might want to do the same. One of those times I'm trying to figure out how smart I am if I think I want to go short here to go more short. Well, this move is 14,033. Over here got down to 42. We're sitting at 55. So well over 20 points from that low. Copper's heading up. Sent a long signal shortly after it bottomed out there. And it's slowly grinded up since. Trying to get back some of what it's lost. Aren't we all? Everything has just gotten dead here in the last few minutes. Gotten dead. Not my best English. Hey, Burl. How you doing? I'm doing alright, thank you. Try to figure out what the NQ wants to do here. Squeezing. But it's a wide squeeze, I guess you could say. The bands are still 30 points apart. Kind of looks like a bottlenose dolphin. Good job, Matt. Yeah, I'm not sure how much movement we're going to see later today or from now because everything seems to be slowing down. Yeah, market's looking slow. You did take at least one trade in it in the live sim this week, right, Matt? Okay, good. NQ is trying to send me a long signal here. And I just, obviously I don't know. It went away. Wow. I didn't realize you could blow it up that much. That really gets you to see the candles. You can see the dramatic movement down. That candle on for this one period of a slight uptrend that resulted in a bigger crash down. And now we're just sitting here trying to decide which way it wants to go. One of those times it's just going to burst somewhere and it's going to be too late to react to it. I've thought about putting in a order at like maybe long. Where's my TCP? ES sending a long signal there as well. Long signal went away on NQ. We're going in here. We're gonna get in here if it turns back to green. If it holds that SMA line, we're in chart. Playing that bounce off the band there. First the break of the band and then not the band. I'm sorry, SMA line. Big wick, small bodies is usually a sign for me to stay out. Yeah, it's stuck in a range. I'm seeing if it was a break out of the range. Oh, I need a stop loss. We're going for the stop below the wick of that last green candle. Okay, why didn't it go there? Okay, why isn't it letting me put a stop loss? What the heck? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna manage the position. Anyone else having rhythmic issues? I can't, or I don't know what's going on. It won't let me place invalid price. How's that an invalid price? Whoa, just valid did it. Okay, I'm out of the trade. It wouldn't let me. Did I enter the wrong direction? Yeah, I think I entered the wrong direction. So I just get this. I just made $3 on that trade by entering the wrong direction. Oh, swear I did that. Sorry about that. Anyway, no, I so I entered the wrong direction and made $3. Now I lost $3 on commissions, so or $4 on commissions. But let's try that again. Okay, we're in again. Now we'll put the stop at the below of that candle. So that was a duh on my part. Yep. Ooh, immediately going down. What's the SMA line at? 062. Oh, no, we won't put it below that candle. I didn't realize how wide that was. We'll put it at the SMA line. Yep, this is going to reverse on me. Bad trade.
Wait, what happened? Whee! All right, out of the trade, took the loss, ending the day down on that. I don't know what happened there. It was a bad trade, and it should have told me to stay out, and I didn't, and I didn't listen. So that wasn't a good move. I should have waited till the bands expanded more. Boredom trade, I guess, maybe. No problem. We'll see if it goes back up. We have another, what, 25 minutes or so. That was just stupid of me, but I look at it, I bet you it's going to bounce here. Maybe not. Thought it was going to break upwards. It didn't. One minute. I have started looking at higher time frames for maybe bigger moves, but I have not charted it out enough to see what kind of win rate I'm looking at there. Yep, tight range. It's going to burst, but no way to tell what way it's going to burst. Short signal now. It's trying to trick me. 33, 35 was the lows. We're at 47. 26-point candle down. So there we go. Made a last little ditch effort up, and then that wants to continue down. 30 points. Pop back up there by 15 points after that short. Big pop back up. 21 points. So big burst down and then trying to recover it. Yeah, very crazy. All of a sudden, it was dead for 20 minutes, and now this. I'm thinking about it.
but I don't know. It's not giving me the warm and fuzzies. Yep. Once we heard you're going short burrow, we decided to all pile in. Stair stepping, not really stair stepping, but 3 bar play there. Back up. Pop back up by almost 30 points. Up to the SMA line. Hit the SMA line, bounce back down. SMA line failed to touch it and smacked its hand away. Yeah, it's whipping around now. I'm with all y'all. I'm in with a short. Putting in the stop right at the top of this candle, though. The 10-point stop. Yep, it's reversing again. No, well, maybe. New candle here. Want to see red. I need to see red. I'm an ox. We're closely related to bulls. We love red. Yep. Jumping up here. Oh, back down. My entry is acting as support. Yep. It's gonna come up and get me. That's looking like a. Maybe not. Well, maybe so. This is the way I manage a trade. Up, green, red, green, red. Ah, it's gonna stop me out. Oh, there it goes. Now it's gonna stop me out. But I think this is coming up. Stopped out. Okay, that gauntlet account is now in terrible condition. Not good at all. Just can't understand why that frickin' account is so cursed. So, I often say, after a big move down like that, you'll often see it curl back up, and the SMA line never really kind of curled down with it. It's been flat. So, this was. Eh, eh, Gauntlet's about 1,000 away from blowing. Yeah, I have about $1,000 on drawdown left. $1,030 to be exact. So we'll definitely, and they're sending a long signal now. It's okay. That was my own fault there. You know, I was trying to read the market and it just didn't do it. Now I'm on a 75K account on the for the Gauntlet Mini Burl, so I'm down like 1,500 because I have a $2,700 drawdown. I just can't get any positive momentum on that Gauntlet account. I'm funded on the TCP. I've kept that, with no big losses. And but that Gauntlet account, I've been trying for a lot longer than I was the TCP, and it's cursed. And yesterday, I think I got proof that it was cursed. So my losses for the day were 666. Back down. But yeah, I should not have gotten in this trade. I was thinking it was going to come down like you all thought, but this short signal broke the band, and I saw the bounce, and there was a better chance that it was going to bounce back up like it has than it was going to come down. That was not following my plan. I like the 75K because it's a good balance of giving you wiggle room and but not having a big uh, profit target. I mean, theoretically, if you get into the started off, you need 4,300, which I still think was a typo because everything else is a multiple of 5. So I'm not sure how they got 4,300 for the 75K. But in your 15 days, you only need $286 a day, which is doable. But I just haven't been able to do it. Yeah, it is. I mean, the drawdown's 2,700 on it, and the daily loss is 1,750. So it's good. And here's the bounce off the SMA. So this is the move down we were all expecting. And I'm jumping back in here. I don't know if you all are still in. Well, I guess Matt's not. Uh, Gonna try one more time.
If this holds, oh, you know what? Look, 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 look. It bounced again on that same level. 022, 022. It bounced on 22 twice here now. I'm gonna wait. I need to see a break of 22, I think, on NQ. 14022. It's getting close, so maybe I get it here anyway. 24, 23, 22, 24, 24, 25. Nope, bounced again. 26, 24, 23. Hut, hut, hike. Oh, sorry. Back up to 28. Just trying. I'm in.
Interesting that I had a delay there. Maybe I didn't wait for the break enough. I thought it broke and it bounced. It's bouncing again. Come on, give me that break. Yep, it did not. It didn't break 22. I thought I saw 21, and I jumped and see if it can do it again. It's trying again. Nope. There we go. There's 21. There's 18. Ah, it didn't stick below it. Bounced again. And it's gonna come up for me. Oh man! So I saw 140 profit and it gave it back. Oh, well, chart, but doesn't matter. I stopped that again. Seems like it wants to. I should just stop. If I went over to MNQ on this, it would probably end up being a winner. Oh, it's just struggling there, and it did get below it. I thought we were gonna finally break, and it didn't. And it got down to 16. I could have cashed out for a quick $120 win. Yeah, signals. Keep. Oh, nope. Back up to the SMA line, so was totally wrong there again. And that signal I thought was going to be good. The way it came up and bounced. Should have got in on that candle there after the bounce back down through the SMA line. Yes. Good time to stop, Matt. Yeah, wiki all over. So it's just weirdly bouncy here. Or
You can't even call it rangy, but it's just kept going up, down, up, down. Oh, this is not going to go. I thought maybe we might see the same thing here that we saw there. Oh, there we go. Maybe. It's about to send me a long signal. There's the long signal, but coming into those downward trending bands, so I don't want to trust that either. That big candle up, 10 points, 7 points. Looks bigger than it was. That's what she said. And now the SMA line is starting to trend upward. Now I'm confused even more. Of course, as soon as I go long, it goes green. I mean, it goes red. Oh my God, I just no luck today at all. No luck. Where am I in? 53. Set the stop at 40. Have a great day, Steven. Have a great weekend. Great holiday. See you Monday. Market hates us all, Burl. Market hates us all. And just took me out. So now I'm down $98 on the TCP. And look at that wick down and right back up. Oh my God. See, to me that looks like a long now.
Honestly, but I don't know. Yeah, it, if it already jumped up there, 5 points. I take it one more long. There we go. Maybe needs to break that previous candle, 68. Hit that same area again. Hit 69. Oh man, come on. Just once? You even sent me a second buy signal there. Come on. We're going a little bit longer here on the stream, just until this trade ends. If the stream ends abruptly, it means I sent my fist through the monitor. No, kidding. Joking, joking, joking. Oh man, yep. Just keeps rejecting off that 68 level. Yeah, here it comes back down. And here it comes. Oh, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, it's struggling right at my entry. I should probably just get out there. Or, huh?
Had to pick here to consolidate, right?
Three red candles in a row, not a good sign.
Oh, look, it's trying again.
And again hit 68. Oh, wow. Okay, maybe I'm gonna have to. I hate to do this, but maybe I need to just put an order there for a profit. If it's not gonna give me another chance. Maybe. Four red candles in a row and
Stopped out. It's an amazing amount of signals not working today. This is ridiculousness. So that's it for the day, guys, and that's it for the week. Ending the day horribly wrong. Down $800 on the Gauntlet account after a $600 a day yesterday. I don't know how I can get this so wrong when I have such a high win rate in backtesting. So, thank everyone for joining me this morning and rejoining me after the earlier technical difficulties. I'm gonna spend some weekend charting and seeing if I can figure this trading thing out, and hopefully I can get some positive momentum going next week. I hope everyone has a great holiday week and weekend, and I shall see you back here Monday morning. Have a great weekend. Have a great rest of your day. Bye. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'll love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on ShareVision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r ox market trading. Have a great day.